breakfast time. What you get?
I don't know. You told me should.
Some kind of Chinese burrito. Just made with rice and seaweed and meat in the middle. It's really good. Like kind of traditional burrito for me. And then some tea and a little bit of a snack. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. We'll let you know how it tastes in a minute. How was the food?
It's good though. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know why we're so tired. I'm not sure if it's the weather or what, but anyways, it was good food. Now we're going to the subway because we were gonna leave Taipei, but we woke up too late, so we're gonna stay in the city today and do other things. So it's gonna be a surprise. Let's go to the train again. All right, we just got to our destination, Taipei Arena. Yeah, we decided to do, not shopping, we're window shopping I guess today, right? Yeah, we're both really beat. You heard me go at like 120% for the first 3 days, and then we were just like, ugh. So we're trying to take it easy today so we can recover and tomorrow get out of the city again. We're not used to all this transit time.
Yeah.
We were just discussing that, like, I gotta say, like, from my morals point of view, like, the public transit's way better for the environment and the people, but it's so slow, dude. If we had a motorbike, we would have been here 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
You know, it's so easy to hop on the bike and drive around. But, you know, what? But yeah, it's nice to be able to have a chat, yeah. So what'd you say? Did I show them what? Oh. What do you think of these fly kicks she got me? They're pretty cool, right? Let's get out of the station and then go and show you where we actually are. All right, destination is here. They only have JYSK in Hanoi, which is another like Swedish brand or whatever. They don't have IKEA, so we figured we woke up late today, so we might as well go here. But I love IKEA. I think you'll have fun too.
I've never been in IKEA.
Yeah, catch you in a moment. There's a normal chair. There's her. You having fun?
He said this like perfect for me.
It's a good size. So she's just meandering about trying everything into like the sample homes or whatever they call them, like the examples. So she's having fun, I think. We're not gonna buy anything. We're just doing this for fun because we're too poor.
So fun.
Yeah, it looks so fun.
It is fun.
It is fun. Like just imagining.
Oh my god, like we just need a little apartment like this. Like not like 3 bedrooms like we have now, but like everything. Like,
I think too much stuff for an apartment this small.
yeah, but like I mean like the design and the color is great.
That's how they sell you, honey.
The home furniture.
Yeah, it was one of our big pastimes when we first moved into our new apartment to like pick out our furniture and design it how we like. But our apartment now is really big compared to the Taiwanese style, which is tiny. You guys know IKEA. We're hanging out at IKEA. We'll see what we're doing after, right? What up, guys? Consider this experimental because the camera's facing a mirror. This is facing. Okay, anyway. Yeah, we're having a lot of fun just like looking around at like different apartment ideas, and it's just something I'm happy because I feel like some girls hate this crap. They're like, no, I want to go fashion shopping or whatever, and her and me are like, ooh, look at this cool shelf and stuff. And I mean, you guys know what IKEA is like though. It's super fun. Yeah, you having fun?
I love this though. Oh my god.
Yeah, so at least now good news is I found the motivation for her to work hard so we can save up hella cash and buy our own place in Hanoi and then decorate it. Right?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, I thought we were gonna be done, but yeah, we're just gonna meander about a little bit longer and see what else we find. See you later.
Hey guys.
I think that's okay.
Yeah.
We're not in IKEA anymore. We made it to some park, and the mountain behind us is our next goal. We want to do some hiking. I don't know if you can even see my head. Let me check. Anyways, we made it to a park. I got a cup of coffee because coffee's terrible here, so I drink like 15 of them a day. You have fun in IKEA?
Yeah, I do. I did. I mean, yeah, had a lot of fun, but we cannot actually buy things.
It's our motivation though to like buy a house. We definitely should. both of us to, you know, maybe I should try to get more subscribers so I can get paid, and you can keep working hard to make more money.
Yeah.
Anyways, the cool thing about Taipei is that there's a cool mix of like the city and the like mountains. So like literally you just get off the train, which is right behind us, and you can go up the mountain. So that's our plan now, to go for a little bit of a hike, because the oldest night market and one of the most famous, the Shilin Night Market, is actually right down the street. So that's why we're in this area. So we'll go for a hike, and yeah, then we can kind of chit chat along the way up. So see you in a minute. Cover it. Thanks, bro. All right, you have a street, you have the sidewalk, and then you have this path, and you'll see them all over the city. They'll always have a map next to them. And from here, you can just go for a hike. So hiking in Taiwan is going up a bunch of stairs. So we're gonna go for a hike and see where we end up. And yeah, are you ready?
Okay.
So yeah, we'll see you in a little bit or a lot of it, I don't know. So let's go for a hike.
See you in the night market, or maybe on the top of this hike.
We'll see. What do you see?
What's that animal? The squirrel?
Up there. Oh, that is a squirrel. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. Nope. It's all just stairs. So just be prepared. We've only gone up like a couple hundred steps, not even 100 steps. So we're just taking it slow. Hiking is very strange here, so I need to put the camera away and focus on it, so we'll catch you in a little bit. But yeah, stairs, it's fun. It's a nice break, but just make sure you come prepared. Bring some water, maybe even some snacks, because unless you know exactly where the path is. But the first time, be prepared. You ready, honey?
Yeah.
Gotta cool off? All right, so we'll see you at the top, hopefully.
With some chopstick.
Okay, and I have to talk to the camera. Dude, it's good up here, right? Oh, let me turn it a little bit more. There we go. It's where we can, you can't see it too well. Maybe you did when we started. We can see Taipei 101 and kind of the whole city. Thinking about flying the drone, but I don't know the area, or I don't know really the rules up here, because this is a park. Anyways, it's just really nice to be able to do this. It's nice when you live here and you feel like the stress of day-to-day life. It's nice to be able to just get out, because there's probably at least 10 kilometers of trails on this one mountain alone. They just go all over the place. So like if you want to escape or exercise, you can do it really easily. It's a really big thing in the like traditional Chinese culture to keep, like, they don't care much about like bodybuilding or lifting weights, but just to be moving and doing something is really important.
The same like the Tai Chi they have.
It is,
so
yeah.
like,
it is like that, yep.
Like energy in the body.
Yeah.
Not to
And-
become huge.
Yeah.
Like
And-
really skinny.
Yeah.
To be healthy.
Yeah, and I was saying to her, I feel great when I exercise. I keep, it's like a common reoccurring theme, like be happy, live free, you know, and like take care of yourself, especially physically. It's hard to do in Hanoi. It can be like you see people exercising, but the pollution is just off-putting, because when you're exercising, you're breathing a lot heavier.
Yeah.
So you to breathe that, you know, I go
Now
to,
people warn you cannot go exercise like early in the morning.
yeah,
So
like
there's
just
no
go to the
way
gym,
can go
yeah.
to the gym.
Yeah, but I think that's a big thing. Like I can't, it's unfair for me to constantly in these videos keep comparing Taiwan to Vietnam, because you're talking about like 40 years of development in between the two of them. Because Taipei was just like Hanoi 40 years ago in the 70s. Or I
Yeah.
guess 50 years ago now. So we're gonna keep hiking a bit. I'm gonna switch to my awesome new 50mm. I wanna take photos of her. I hope you've been enjoying the new thumbnails. I've been pushing her to use those pictures because they're absolutely incredible. They're all over her Facebook. I should put some of them. I might steal some of them to put on my Instagram.
No, you took that. I just added them. So
Yeah.
I
Anyways,
like
yeah.
those.
Yeah, so it really nice. I love doing this, and then we can go and eat at the night market and then have a nice evening. Taipei doesn't have all that much to see and do, like I said before, but you have a lot of options in terms of just like walking around and getting to see the city, you know. Don't make your vacations a pamper vacation, in our opinion. You pamper yourself at home. You deserve to be pampered every day or once a week or whatever it takes. You need to be pampered. Go to the spa or whatever makes you happy. But when you're on vacation, you gotta go and see things and experience new things, you know? That's what it's all about. If you leave your home just to go and sit at a spa or in a resort, is that even a vacation?
A lot of people, yeah.
But for us, no. we're tired to heck, dude. I don't know if you can see it. Like, I feel like I'm just consistently tired since the first day of here.
I look so mad.
Yeah. So go out and see the town. So we're gonna go back. We'll see you in the night market, but definitely go and hike. Whether it's Jiantan Mountain, whether it's Elephant Mountain behind Taipei 101, whatever it is, go and hike while you're here. All right, guys, we'll see you at the market. All right, guys, we're done eating that pig skin. It was really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good snacks.
Yeah, actually lots of snacks today. And what else did we have? Oh yeah, how's the stinky tofu?
It's okay. It's not that bad. Like, I expected it wouldn't be like horrible or like, but I can handle it. But
Yeah.
I don't think like I want to eat that anymore because I'm not really like not a fan of that kind of food. But it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was it, I think. Yeah. And I hope you enjoyed
just
that.
finished the milk tea.
Yeah, different type. I think this one was good, like actual milk tea. So we did that. We walked around, and I didn't want to like chit chat in the market because it was so packed.
Yeah.
So it's just easier to talk to you now. We're just standing outside. You can see the subway passing overhead. So we're gonna catch a train back to the Airbnb and get on that grind. So it was good.
Try to get some sleep and wake up early tomorrow.
Yeah, busy day tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, definitely visit the night market. So there's a lot of good food to eat, a lot of just a lot of stuff to see, a lot of stuff to try, you know, and never buy a lot of food from one place. Just buy a little bit from a bunch of different places, and it's really fun. Tip for you who are socially awkward like me, just go up to them and ask them, point or whatever, and they'll help you out. The people are really friendly in the market, so it's a good time. So yeah, we're gonna go home, maybe show you what we got from IKEA for a few seconds, and then we'll let you go, all right? All right, catch you in a minute. All right, guys, we're back. We were just saying, like, most people don't travel like us, right?
No.
Like, most people, like, live, like, very fancy lives. Like, she was talking about people she follows on YouTube that are, like, celebrities, and they're, like, being driven around and staying in, like, nice hotels and stuff, and we're just like, nah, dude. Anyways, I think it's a better way to travel. You get to see more and do more. What do you think, honey? Would you prefer to do the rich way?
I think it's kind of nice to have some people like drive you around when you're really tired, like today. But I think it's nicer to like walk, like from place to place.
Like a normal, like, commoner, right? Anyways, I wanted to show you what we got from IKEA. So, honey, can you show them? Well, not the picture frame's kind of just boring, but this is kind of fun. We have weird things we buy as souvenirs, and this is one of them. So
because we don't have any pads, so I want to get this.
So if you remember from last year, we got brown, and now we have I don't even know if there's a name yet, but yeah, it's a doggy.
It's a doggy. Who's old?
Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm not gonna keep you any longer. So remember, travel like a commoner. Cheap. It's cheaper and it's more fun, but exhausting. I need a vacation from this vacation. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.